Hi, this is a YouTube collaboration for Love is in the Air with the host Rustic and Lace DIY with a co-host of 6 Kids and a Glue Gun and a co-host of Crafty Hints. So please watch the videos in the playlist. Like and subscribe to them and comment, and please like and subscribe and comment to mine, and hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye. So here I have my H8 hook, if it would focus. It's a 5mm. I have some ice cream roving divagation in the color Chuckles. And I am going to make a couple of hearts for a heart blanket. So I did the slip stitch, so I'm going to chain 22. So there is 20. So I'm going to come up and hold my finger on it. 21, 22. That gave me the mark for where I need to go for this, and I'm going to slip stitch 2 together. And now I'm going to chain 4. And straighten out my chain stitch and hook it to the starting of the chain stitch. And I'm tucking in my end, so I'm going to slip stitch it together. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to do a single crochet in the same one I just came from off of my chain 1. So now I'm going to single crochet in the next 6. That part where it's roving is a little thicker. And now I'm going to do 3 singles in this next one. So here's 1, 2, 3. And this part that's sticking out, I will cut that off so it's more straight. Now I'm going to do 6 singles again. And now I'm going to do 2 singles. Can't get my hook in there. There we go. In 1. to the end. Now I'm at this part and I want to kind of flip it over, and I'm going to slip stitch these two stitches. That's doing the top part of the heart where it points down, and I'm going to single crochet 5 like I did on the other side, hopefully 5. It goes off of my stitches. So this last one, I'm going to do 2 together, 2 singles in 1 stitch, and I'm going to slip stitch it together. I may have to iron my hearts so that they stand flat. Let me grab my scissors real quick. And of course I dropped them, so I gotta figure out where I put them. Good thing I have other scissors. So there is our heart, and I'm gonna do like 5 of these of this color. So there I added the heart, and now they're all connected together. So I'm going to do that for a whole row on the blanket. All right, so here I am working on a heart blanket, and it's linked hearts and other heart, just hearts sewn together. So I'm putting a top on the top of this blanket, and then and I'm just hand sewing that on there. And I just dropped my needle. Hope it doesn't go in my slipper. Almost did. Can't decide which way I want to sew. I have extra long piece of string yarn here, so I'm hiding my ends in as I sew along. And I about unthreaded it. Can I go back over this section a little bit? Oh, my hand's been on them already. So this is only a doll blanket size. Some of this yarn was hard to work with, and I got frustrated with it. So this is only a doll blanket. It is better and easier for me to do the single hearts and hook them together than it was the chain hearts or linked hearts. So I'm going to work on sewing this together, and I'll be back in a few minutes.